Okay, we're starting today staring into the bowels of the auxiliary tank, and it's hideous. Now that looks like rust, but it's not. That is varnished fuel, loads of it. That in the bottom is the pickup, and it is absolutely clogged. So I thought about this for a while, and I decided the best way of cleaning that was household oven cleaner, the foaming stuff. So we've sprayed a load of that inside and left it for about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And as you can see, it's got, I don't know, let's say half of it off. I'm definitely going to have to do it again. But yeah, I mean, it's exposed some surface rust. So there was a bit of surface rust on this, but a lot of it's quite clean under there. As I said, it's still got quite a lot of this varnish on it. More interested in this pickup screen because that was absolutely clogged. Not so bad anymore. Let's see if we can get to it. Hang on. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. It still needs to be done again. So I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to rinse it out again because I mean basically I just stuck water in it and shook it and all the gunk came out. So dried it off with a heat gun and we'll do it again, dry it off again, and let's crack on with rebuilding this bike. Right then, looks like rain's going to stop play. We got a bit further. Obviously back wheel on. Well, it's not tightened up or anything yet. That's just loosely on. All this is just loose. But as you can see, it's starting to rain. So we've got, did these things fight me? That one slots into that one, but that one connects to the one at the bottom, and the one at the bottom goes underneath this piece. Oh my god. Got it together anyway. So I'm not going to upload this bit yet, might as well finish this off, but I'm gonna stop videoing for today because it's raining and I've had enough.